Hi, and welcome back to DPapa's Living in Flip-Flop Life. Today, I have something really impressive, and I can't wait to show you. At the same time, stick around because I do have some amazing exclusive bonuses that you're going to be getting access to once you see this amazing product that I'm reviewing right now. I'm really impressed by this because it really, as a content creator, this comes in like it's a winner at all costs. I'm telling you right now, you got to understand this is a game changer in the way that you're going to be creating content. Now, look, I'm talking about content as in creative designs, but mostly focusing on YouTube. But listen, trust me, you don't need to be on YouTube to do this. There's many things that you can benefit from this. So I need you to check it out, okay? So first of all, what is it? It's a software that will help you create amazing thumbnails, yeah, using an image yourself, anything, and putting it into really impressive images. I don't know how else I can explain it. If you've been watching my YouTube channel in the last few weeks, you'll see that my thumbnails are a lot better. And not only that, I've been actually using it for my website as well. But I want to show you how this works and also what you're going to be getting as well. Now, inside, you're going to have this dashboard, okay? And there's tutorials and everything like that. There's all these, basically, you're going to be able to create amazing thumbnails just like these. So what I'm saying is that in real time, I'll show you what I'm going to do right now, okay? To show you how easy it is just to create anything from anything, okay? So I'm going to go first. I want to go into creating my clone of my character, okay? And this software just made it so easy for me to actually do this on the fly. And I have different versions of myself. So I'm going to create a new clone, okay? So I need to drop an image of myself, okay? So right before your eyes, like kind of thing, okay? I'm just going to take an image of myself and I'm going to push it over into my Mac. And I've got my image, okay? You can see it. So I'm just going to export as a PNG, and I put DPapa new clickly. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and drop this image in here. I'm going to name it DPapa YouTube and create. And in this, I'm going to do happy, shocked. I've got all these different, I'll do excited or I'll do happy. I'll just do happy. No, I'll just leave it as is. If I want to use a prompt, I can. If I don't, it doesn't matter. I always use it as what as you saw it. Okay. So right now, in order to create this, I'm being charged 4 credits from my credit in my dashboard. If you click the links, you'll go to the buttons and you'll see exactly what it costs, but I'll show you what happens when you run out of credits as well. But trust me, it's not like you're going to be using it on a day-to-day basis unless you're creating a lot of content or you're building some kind of faceless YouTube channel or something, which I'll help you with. So here's me looking all serious, okay? Pretty cool. I can edit with my AI and maybe change clothes. Like, can you make me more casual? And then 1 credit to generate another version of me. And then you have the different types of things you have here. You can remove background if you'd like, but you know, that's little stuff, etc. So here I'm more casual. That's pretty cool, you know. And then I can do shocked, and then it can do the same thing. It'll give me another one. So this is building my clone, so I can use it in my images and thumbnails that I'm going to be creating. Now remember, you can take images of anything and put it and create. All right. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that the thumbnail that you're going to be built, like, look, it's now using my clothing as well. So it's pretty cool. Okay. So I'm enjoying this because I'm creating some new versions of myself. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the magic thumbnails and create a new thumbnail. All right, so what happens here is that you can go into a YouTube channel, get a link of your video, of any video, and drop it there. Or you can get a transcript, okay, about the video of the transcript. So I don't have a video yet for this, so I found a little trick so that maybe I can give you an idea of how this works in terms of creating the thumbnail from the content. So my idea was, okay, if I haven't created the video yet, so what can I use as a transcript? Okay, so basically I did my review for this offer. Okay, so if I went into my website, hold on, and got the content that I created, and I'm just gonna put it there, and I'm gonna call it like it's a script. Okay, so I think it will work the same way. So I'm building the thumbnail for this specific offer that I'm showing you right now. This is the thumbnail that you probably landed on when you saw it because it caught your eye. Keep that in mind as well. Now, these are pretty good because these are the kind of style that even Mr. Beast would do, or Alex Hormozy, or this is what it's been happening. Okay, so I'm going to use this review one right here, and I'll do 2 versions maybe. And I'm going to use the new one, which is the YouTube one. And let's create some magic. I didn't do anything other than just choosing that template. It's going to create me 2 different ones. And we're going to see from the script what it creates. I don't even know, but it's going to use this specific image style design that is going to add my face on there, etc. Okay, so we're having that happen, and that took that's going to take about 4 credits from my system, okay, etc, etc. Okay, so let's see the magic in the works. So this is pretty cool. I've already got one that's this one right here, Clickly AI tool, and these are the clothes that I'm wearing today. It got everything from it and just created my expressions that looks just like me. Okay, a little bit, I would guess, yeah, it looks like me. There'll be you to decide if that was, you know, when you were clicking on this. This doesn't look a little bit like me, I would think, or I'm not looking at it, but I'll choose this one right here, for example. Okay, so I'm going to choose that. I'm going to use it for my video that I'm going to be uploading from this. Okay, so it's not just doing and understand this took a transcript or content, so you can take any content and create something out of this. All right, so I can come here and maybe edit this one, edit with AI, and I would like to change my expression, make it into I'm shocked. Okay, and we'll generate, that's 1 credit from my credits. Now, this is magical because going into Canva, this is what I used to do with Canva. Okay, I used to come into Canva and I used to come into my templates and I had to take a picture of myself just like I did, but then I had to go and find the design, like or like do little changes on the way that I was getting my my things. So let me see if I've got something here. Yeah, this is the one before I started using Clickly. Okay, I had to do like, and I have to have a pro account as well. So I had to take a picture, and these are old pictures that I was using, and it's the same. Okay, and I was taking these expressions, which is okay. Yeah, it's real. Yeah, it's all real. It's me doing all that. But now AI can do it for me, so I don't need to do that, you know, and I can take advantage of it as well. Like I can take these images and put them into the software, and then it'll create me more of myself. So I would have to create these thumbnails, and it would take me time. Here, it does it magically by creating these different cool thumbnails. Now, let me show you something. If you go to Prime, you'll see that these are the types of thumbnails that even Mr. Beast is using. I'm not kidding you. Okay, so these thumbnails are probably AI created. All right, so he's putting them in different situations, etc. All right, let me show you something cool. I would think. Okay, hold on. Let me take a screenshot of this, and then I'm going to come back into the Clickly. This one I'm going to use for my blog post. Okay, so on my blog, I've got my my Clickly thing, my post, my review, and I'm going to add my featured image. So it can work for your blog, your content. It doesn't necessarily have to be a YouTube thumbnail, okay? But you can take this and use it for other things as well. Okay, so then I've got my nice little featured image that's going to look pretty good for my blog as well. And you'll see that it's slowly changing the look of my website now. Okay, this is what they'll see. It's in high analysis. That's me. That's pretty cool. And then the review, etc., etc. Okay, so this, I mean, I'm using it right now for my business. Okay, and I can change it. I can do other little things from it. Choose the different types of or use a reference. And right now, for example, I'm uploading a reference of what I just got. Allow. I'm using that reference thing. Okay, so I chose that, and let's click to create some magic using the Mr. Beast style of the image that we got. Now, I haven't tried this before. This is just, I'm doing this for the first time, so hopefully it works. And maybe the image is too small because I just took a screenshot of it, but it was something that I thought about, and I thought that was cool. Also, another cool thing is that this one right here, I used it for a bonus page that I used because I had like 6 bonuses, so I put my stuff there and I added it in my content. So that's pretty cool. I can put myself in my blog, so it's more and tying in with other content as well, for content from the offer that you're promoting. So it's more you being in the thing. I don't know how to explain it, but to me it's magic. I love this type of stuff as well. Okay, so now you can see the example of what the failed generate image 2 was too small, so I got it a little bit bigger. And look at this, it got the exact same thumbnail from Mr. Beast, and I used it for myself. And I even have his the what do you call it? The emotion. Okay, so that to me is pretty cool. Okay, and you can do so many things with this. Don't forget, you can also do this for clients. Okay, that's another story that you can do. All right, so this is, you get the cloning, the magic, the templates. You get templates that you can choose from as well, that they've got a whole bunch that you can get from. You can create your projects from here, and there's tutorials on how to set this up, etc. Okay, I think this is an amazing tool, and that's why I wanted to set you up with something amazing. I've got so many good bonuses for you. You're gonna love. First of all, I'm gonna get you access to my TubeMatic software. Okay, TubeMatic software and training, and this is basically how to become an affiliate with YouTube ads and our tool. It's a software that you can search for different ads online that you can what do you call it? Find what's happening on the Google and YouTube videos for affiliate marketing, and it's all inside. I'm telling you, this is one of the best software and training that I'm offering in terms of YouTube affiliate marketing. It's about 2 years old, but nothing really has changed. The same things, same software keeps on working. The training is just a little bit, 2 years ago, but doesn't change anything. Trust me, everything that I'm teaching is still the same. Nothing has changed other than maybe little design fonts and new colors. Okay, nothing else. Just wanted to make sure you understand. But it's not only this. I've also built a software to help you build that faceless channel of yours. Okay, so let me show you real quick. This is a software that I built that is basically going to help you monetize any channel in any niche. Okay, so basically you're going to come here, you're going to get inside, you're going to name your channel, and you're going to go through a whole process of helping you in SEO, in content creation and ideas, in basically the whole strategy and monetization, so you can make money with the channels that you're going to be setting up. Once you set up these channels and you add these videos, then you're going to be able to create that attractive thumbnail that you're going to be using Clickly for. Okay, this software is brand new. I created it. I'm probably going to be launching it as well as a product. So get in now before I change things on there, because right now I've got built-in AI that's doing things for you. Okay, so this is one of my biggest bonuses that I'm giving you, and plus I've got a whole bunch of other ones that I'm going to be sharing here, but there's so many. Okay, so first of all, here are everything that you can find. Check the links below as well so you can read everything. All right, so you're going to get my software, the AI powered YouTube growth platform, TubeGrowth. All right. You're going to get my TubeMatic. It's a YouTube spy software and traffic system. YouTube Thumbnail Pro. Okay, it's an extension, a Chrome extension that you can actually analyze thumbnails and then get ideas from others and use them for your campaigns. A YouTube reply assistant. It's an AI comment manager that you can use for your channels. A strategic YouTube campaign creator. Okay, this is going to help you build profitable YouTube ad campaigns, but I'm covering that also in TubeMatic, so you should be okay, but this is more. Your YouTube 5-second formula is how to basically get started with YouTube videos and maybe the first 5 seconds so you can connect to the user, etc. How to get instantly subscribers is a video training on how you can monetize your channel, because when you get started, you need a certain amount. I'll help you actually get into it a lot faster, like maybe in the next 48 hours. Well, it's give or take, okay? The 6-day YouTube accelerator, how you can actually get your emails from your YouTube channel into the autoresponder so you can set up something that you're promoting or selling. Your YouTube campaign setup checklist. It's a checklist, but I also cover that in the software that you're going to be creating your channels, your niche channels, and how to scale with YouTube ads. Again, extra training for your campaigns that you want to run for your channel or for anything. But in TubeMatic, we've got more that I'm giving you, software training that covers all that as well. These are separate and different. And other than that, you get all these. Either you get the front end or the bundle, you still get all the bonuses. However, I will be taking the bonuses away when this ends, because this is going to go monthly, if I'm not mistaken. And it says right now, and you also get like a coupon code, okay, when you checking out. So make sure you check the coupon code as well. It's going to be on the sales page in general. All right. So basically this is Clickly. Okay. And it's what I just showed you, what you create. It's based on your credit system. So with getting started, you get 200 credits. That's enough to build a lot, okay, with for lifetime. Now, when you're done with your you're done with your clicks or you don't have any credits, all you have to do is just click on the buy, and then you can buy another 200 credits for $20. So it's going to be cheaper afterwards when you get in, okay? And then you got like different deals that you're getting 20% off, 10, etc. So it's really okay. So you have 200 credits when you get started with the 47, and then if you want to upgrade it, you just take it from here. All right, that's it. That's all you got to do. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you liked what you saw. Get ideas. Like if you look at my website right now and you went into like one of my, the one like this one right here. This was Clickly. This was Clickly. Okay, these were me. So I started using this, and honestly, I've been doing really well in terms of people, you know, getting on there. Like, look, this bonus thing right here. Like, I'm using this and I'm loving it. Okay, it even took the names of the bonuses and added them inside, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so all the bonuses, etc. So I just wanted to show you this. I'm excited about this. The creator behind it is Tim Verdouw, so somebody you can definitely trust. Is my my Dutch friend, and he's got some really stellar products that I've been promoting in the past. Happy customers, happy subscribers, and people enjoy my bonuses as well for everything. So I hope you enjoyed this review for Clickly. Pick it up from my links. Go build your crazy stuff. And trust me, become a client as well. You can go and find clients that are looking for thumbnail creators, just like you, to put their business online. Okay, so there's other people that you can reach out. There's so many things you can do. So everything is inside your dashboard. Your bonuses are delivered in a Google Doc, ready to go as soon as you get inside Clickly. Okay, you got to get it from my links though. And this is delivered under your access in JVZoo. Okay, thank you again for watching. Talk to you in the next video.